Hello, I'm Lindsey from Outside Van, and I'm going to show you how to use the Hideaway Day Bed in Syncline. Syncline features the Hideaway Day Bed, which adds extra lounge space or can double as a small bed for children or a furry companion. To deploy the day bed, locate the jump seat on the driver's side. Remove the seat cushion and backer and set aside. Then grasp the far edge of the now exposed panel and flip it over until it rests on top of the water box on the passenger side. Place the seat cushion and backer, as well as the backer from the top of the water box, onto the newly created surface. The Hideaway Day Bed is now set up and ready for use. To stow, simply reverse the steps taken to deploy the bed. And that's how you use the Hideaway Day Bed in Syncline.